Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you cinematic color grading tutorial on Capcut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one guys, and I'm going to create color grading, cinematic color grading for this video. Okay, we're going to go to the adjustment guys to do color grading. You can select adjust here, and then here you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, and so on. And let's start with the brightness. For the brightness, I'm going to make it -3. Okay, and for the contrast, we're going to make it +5. And let's move to the saturation. We're going to make it +5. And then go to the brilliance. And for the brilliance, I'm going to make it -20. And move to the sharpen, make it +25. Alright. And then for the clarity, make it 19. Alright, and then let's move to the highlights. And for the highlights, we're going to make it -3. And shadow, make it +4. And for the whites, make it +3. Okay, and for the blacks, make it -5. Okay, and then for the temperature, make it -10. And the last one is the hue. You're going to make it +9. Okay, done. And then you can click on the check mark. But if you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on reset here, and all the adjustment will be removed. And I'm going to click on the check mark, and then I'm going to show you guys before and after the editing. Okay, this is the original video before I apply cinematic color grading, and this is after I edited my video. Okay, and then if you want to export the video, just go to the export menu here, and then the video will be saved to your device. I recommend you to choose high resolution so the quality of your video will be better. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today on how to create cinematic color grading on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.